Hi friends. In Russia, there is a product called crab sticks. It is an imitation of crab meat, and we have many dishes that include crab sticks. I present to you one of the recipes for this summer salad, crazy. The salad itself is very light and fresh. Let's cut the imitation crab meat into cubes. We put it in a separate container. Cut the boiled and peeled eggs into small cubes. Send the eggs to the crab sticks, add salt, add mayonnaise and mix well. Put half of the serving on a plate. This is our first layer. Cut the cucumbers into cubes too. Put the cucumbers on crab sticks, tamp and salt a little. The next layer is the remains of a mixture of crab sticks and eggs. Cut tomatoes as well as cucumbers into cubes. We send to the mixture of crab sticks. And we level it. Grate cheese on a fine grater. This is the final layer. We put the salad in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to soak. The salad is ready. You can eat it as an independent dish or with a side dish. The salad is very light and fresh. Bon appetit! Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.